Odan CCTV. The American Biano of Anissa. Odan for na Jatum. Tell party. What I say, what Jatum? Tell party Jatum. Odan for Jimudi. Monty Tum. City TV. COMOAKU. City TV. I want a place, Blaster place, no. Ghana local place, no. All of Biashe. City TV, City, go on.
And thank you so much. The words you gave us, I will put on record. That we came to you, you're going to give us protection of civil staff, protection of the process of electorate themselves, protection of the space of the elected police station. We told them you give us your word, and consistent with your word, we have seen one peak, what you have to call the place. Yes, we went there, we saw PU well arranged. At the backup, we have seen all the arrangements with the hotspots. Here we have come, we have seen similar things, and the POs have told us things like under control. And so we want to, again, put it on record, want to commend you for the good work that you have done. For your good work is something that we want to place on record. That you didn't sleep forward. And we've seen the movement of the police around. Whatever we just as we were coming, we see the police vans moving, meaning that we are in here for a serious work and to ensure the safety and protection of property and life. And we are behind you in our support, in moral support, and then also with our prayer. Even the police, we don't want any police to be hurt. Even in the course of your work, we don't want any police to get hurt. And we have indicated to them that there's no need, no necessity for violence. We should be able to cross this, finish this election without a single person's blood being dropped, without a single person being assaulted, without backlash on any other person. And we hope that our message will go around.
You didn't talk about the black barrier.
The black barrier is something that excites me.
Yes.
So please, I'm talking to all young people, electorate in this place. Don't allow yourself to be taken into the black barrier. It is not a pleasant experience, but indeed you don't also need it. Akwatia young people, electorate, I'm talking to you. Take it from me. We love you. This election is not about do or die. It's about selection of one person who will represent you and speak for you in Parliament. Play by the rules. Respect the law and order. Be good citizens. Keep the peace. It's a violence is an abstraction. It's human action that incarnates it. So don't incarnate violence. Keep the peace. And here, IGP is here, ready, in our service. Protect our lives, protect our property. So let us not make the work difficult for him and his staff. And when we do so, the peace of Ghana will be maintained and we shall all be blessed.
I'm surprised seeing the big people of the Peace Council walking through.
Yes.
We met in Accra. You gave us assurance. You also make sure that you talk to the people, you know, all the political parties, and you did. And you didn't stay in Accra, but you have also come to the ground. You were there, you had meetings with them again on the ground over here, and today you are on the ground. I'm so surprised seeing you. And this is one of the wonderful terms of this new management of the Peace Council. I think we'll continue to work. And when we work together, I think from here, I'm sure Tamale will come. And then we shall meet there. To continue. And thank you very much. Thank you very much for your support. And this is really a wonderful Peace Council. And I'm happy working with you. Thank you so much. Thank you for everything is going well. The people are comforting themselves. And then the electoral officials are also working without any fear. And then the police are also giving the protection they have to give. The day is still young. We hope that just as we start to go through the process and then to the end, at the end of the day, we all smile, having a peaceful election. Thank you.
People at Akwatia were concerned that the numbers of police personnel here likely to intimidate them.
It's not intimidating, it's for peace. The presence of police is for peace. You know, our issue is that anywhere people don't have police, they say, bring police, we need police, we need police. Now we have brought police. So be peaceful and come out and vote. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, this is another place.
Safety of electorate and safety of electoral staff, and indeed the safety of the polling station. And the police has given us their word, and we have seen signs. We are at Wenchi. We saw how the FPU was so well been arranged, but there's an anticipation. So that arrangement has been made, and in case something happens, how to really get the situation under control. We've spoken to the POs, and both at Wenchi and at Bodu are here, and they've given us, and we have seen ourselves that the situation is calm. We are hoping that it continues that way. We want to end this election in Akwatia, and Akwatia must get the pride that we have been able to finish the election without single blood dropping, without any cutlass, without anybody being beaten. And we are hoping that we will be able to.
We just heard a while ago that one person has been arrested, I think in front of the NDC office. It has to do with the clearing of.
Oh, okay, I'm unable to comment on that because I have not been there. Yeah, but that we will continue to advise. We will continue to advise that Akwatia has lived as a family for all this time, and this election should not lead us to anything that would mean that we want to we want to encourage electorates and citizens alike to be law-abiding. Whatever we know that will temper with the running of this election, let us not do it, and ensure that after this election we remain as the same people, united as a family, and then we see what developments can come to Akwatia. I think that's what should be our focus. Thank you.